Hey, hi guys. So there are chances that you want to learn some language and you want to improve your vocabulary, and that is the reason I have, along with my brother, it's him, Ajay, developed some games in order to improve your vocabulary for any language, for that matter. And I've used Python script and some Google modules for this. And my brother also has helped me write some code, and we have something here for you guys so that you can use this in future. And once this is done, this will be uploaded to this GitHub here. So I would like to give some small demo how this overall game is finally prepared. So say suppose, so the game is called Bhasha. Bhasha is like Sanskrit word meaning language, and most of the words are, the games are from Sanskrit language. So first one is Anuvada, where you translate words, and Acharvita is the game where you do multiple questions and find the right answer, and it will give you confidence till you get some sort of understanding of these words and you can remember them. Jnapana is to remember these words, and I will also show you how to play this game. And Shravana at the end means to listen. Okay, so you have the language and you can listen that word in the native accent, so you are also prepared for that words in spoken form. So let's first go with Anuvada. So here I have some things, items already, just ignore them. So all you have to do is go to input and prepare your files where you have problems understanding the words. Say for example, I do not know, or I don't remember these words often. So all these files I dump this here, and I execute this script. Okay. So in the execution of scripts, currently I've given native languages such as Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, etc. You can also add some more languages support if you need, and you can check all these links here. So all you have to do is put my files here in the input file and then run. Just let me give this quick demo. Okay. I don't want to give demo because it will prepare so many words and it will take time. And you need to have internet connection for this. And you should also know a little bit of Python language, and you need to import certain or install certain modules. For example, here I've used Google Translator from Google. So once I have that in place, as well as Python 3 installed, I can execute and it will prepare me, it will give me some folders with the files. Say for example, I want to open in Kannada. That's a language I am comfortable mostly. So all you had given was earlier this word, and now you have also in English as well as Kannada. So that will give you a little bit of, confidence with the word. This accuracy is not so good because yeah, language is finally not machine understandable, so there will be certain still scope for improvement here, but overall the idea is that you prepare these files either by hand or with the Google Translator. So say suppose you have all these files prepared, and now these files I can use it for the next games, whatever language you are comfortable in. So next game is Acharvita. This is like multiple questions. So I have already items prepared here, but usually what you have to do is you have to put those files here, what you prepared in the last step. And for example, here I have in Hindi. Okay. So then I go here and I execute this script, my main Acharvita. You can just have a look. I mean, I have some modules here. Make sure those modules are also installed in your machine, and it will prepare the files as per in your native language. Say if I want to go for Urdu, yeah, I have no clue how Urdu is written. Currently it has got me two practice sets. I just open one of them and you can see the words in actual form and also reverse form. So in the actual form you will be displayed one German word, and you have the option of selecting the right one from the choices. And this is the other way, you will be given the word in native language and you have to find one of the German words which is appropriate. Let's play the first game, which is in the normal way. So off Tretan means, for example, I don't know Urdu, but if people play, the language, what's the right word. So let's go for off Tretan is, I would say, appear. Yeah, it's green, so it's right. So 1 out of 6 questions you have answered. I will go for the next one. Abrunden. I know that it is round off, but for sake of it, I make a mistake. I say that it is on convey. Then it shows red, and it also displays the right one. There is also a timer here, so that it will make you. It will put you in stress. So umfang, maybe I do not know. I will wait till this timer gets. Off. All these things can be set in the script. So once it is, then the right word will be shown. For lesung is lecture. Say, let me get all this right. For middle is convey. So it will also say how many words you are left with. 6th is full standing completely. Okay, next. So it will say you got 4 right and out of 6. So that way you can make your understanding better. This game is actually, I got it from internet. And my brother also worked on this to make the script according to our needs. So we don't take any financial benefits of this, but it's just for playing games. So this is the other way around. You will be presented with the word in native language or English. You have to check one of them. I will go with the full standing. Okay, I'll make it fast. Appear is auftreten. Yes. Lecture is Vorlesung. Okay. Round off is Abrunden. Okay. Convey is to vermitteln, I believe. Yes. Scope is Umfang. Okay, so I got everything right, and I'm very happy. So this way you can improve your words with multiple choice things. Now let me go for another game called Jnapana. This is very interesting. Here you are not presented with any option, but you have to know whether, you have to guess, you have to finally make sure that you know the word. So for this, all you have to do is again get your project files here, which was done in the step 1, and just run this script. And maybe for this you need some sort of additional. No, you don't need any additional modules to be executed. Then I have got some readme also. If you have any problems, it will prepare a practice output folder, and all you have to do is go here, index.html. So open this. Okay, so here again I have direct questions, like German word will be presented, and answers will be in your native language or the other way. I will also show you both. So umfang, do I know the meaning? I know it is scope, and if I can then add to I know. If I don't know, I can add it to I don't know by pressing this. Okay, or if I do not, I actually want to know the meaning, I just do check. It will say scope. Okay, it's in Urdu, by the way. I will go back to question, and I will say I know umfang. Okay, then comes full standing. Full standing is complete. Okay, say I will add it to unknown. I do not know. Okay, then comes auftreten. It means appear. So I will check this just to be sure. Yes, appear. I know this. Vorlesung is lecture. I know this. Vermitteln is to convey. Let me still check. Let me add it to I don't know. So you don't know 2 words. Okay. Abrunden is to round off. So I will say I know this word. Vollständig is to completely. Yeah, complete, something like that. So I know this game. Vermitteln is to convey. Now, the moment I do convey, these are the words which have come from I do not know deck. So I'll just say I know now. Yes. Okay. So this is some sort of bug. Even though you have 6 words, it always says 1 less. I have my brother sometimes does errors, but it's okay. It does the job. Now I can also go with the reversed form of this. So you will be presented with the word in native, and you have to think, okay, do I know this word? It means full standing, I believe. Yes, it's full standing. Then I know this game. So you can play like this, and at the end you will be presented with so you can also check other files. Similarly, overgeben is to transfer. Yes, handover. Okay. something like that. So I will know this game. I know this word. Abrundan is to round off. Let me say I don't know this word. Like that, the game goes. Okay, you can also go with the reverse way of next words, next file, something like that. You can at the end close this game once you are like good with the words. The last game is called Shravana. It means to hear, okay, or listen. So often it happens that you know the word, but you do not know the pronunciation or how it is said in native language. Yeah. So again, we have used Google SDK for this. And I mean, if you are interested in Python, you can just check what and all you need to do. Um, uh, yeah, you need to install Google module for text to speech. Then you get things here. You dump your files here, and then run this main.shravana.py, and it will create a folder for you. Here you should remember the words are not in your native language, but it's in German. So for example, it will give you all the mp3 files. We couldn't find time to add this and make a big file, but you get the idea. So I will play this in my Windows Media Player and just run. Yeah. So you can play when you are just not practicing and just want to listen to some words in German. So this is how you can improve your vocabulary. You can get to words and verbs. You can get confidence, and I hope you will be good in your language exams. And you can, if you are good with the scripts, you can also additionally make it for extend it for other languages as well, as like French or Kannada or whatever. So yeah. So my name is Vasudeva, and you can check my profile here. So you can contact me. Also, my brother is also in LinkedIn. So he's the developer for these games partially. So you can contact us, and you can also keep looking into the GitHub pages from my brother, which was shown earlier. So there also you keep checking. You can keep checking for new updates from us. Okay, all the best. Cheers. Ciao.